If you're tired of dropped calls, unresponsive apps, and slow internet in weak signal areas, this video is for you. Today, we're putting the Samsung A16 5G through the ultimate real-world test to see if it can handle poor signal conditions. No lab tests here, just real conditions that matter to you. If you want to know how other phones perform in weak signal areas, remember to subscribe to the channel. Test 1. The ultimate challenge. Location: inside a car in a dead zone. This is where phones go to die. We used speed test because everything you do, calls, apps, streaming, depends on data connection. The results were eye-opening. Samsung A16 5G, 2.16 megabits per second download, 0.13 megabits per second upload. Honor 200 Smart, 4.6 megabits per second download, 0.45 megabits per second upload. But here's the kicker. Samsung only completed 85% of tests successfully, while Honor hit 100%. What this means for you, those failed tests and upload speeds would make your calls drop out and apps painfully slow. Honor performed 2.7 times better overall. Pro tip alert. Watch what happens when we connect the Samsung to a mobile router on the dashboard. Suddenly, everything works. This simple trick could transform your phone experience in weak signal areas. Test 2. The Rural Challenge. Location: detached house in a rural area. The resident's actual complaint: dropped calls and slow internet. Results: Samsung A16 5G, 6 megabits per second down, 0.19 megabits per second up, 100% success. Honor 200 Smart, 8.6 megabits per second down, 0.28 megabits per second up, 92% success. Again, Samsung's upload speeds would cause real problems. Honor was 1.32 times better overall. Real-world proof. The homeowner bought a mobile router 9 months ago. Their feedback? Call drops have vanished completely. The internet works so much better. The before and after results speak for themselves. Test 3. The Suburban Challenge. Location: house 2 kilometers from cell tower. Finally, both phones could show what they're really capable of. Samsung A16 5G, 100 megabits per second down, 8.4 megabits per second up. Honor 200 Smart, 115 megabits per second down, 14.5 megabits per second up. Both achieved 100% test success rates. Here we see the benefit of modern modem technology with carrier aggregation. These work much better than older tech phones. Honor was 1.25 times better, but honestly, both performed well enough for smooth streaming and reliable calls. The verdict: weighted results, emphasizing weak signal performance. Second place, Samsung A16 5G, 53 out of 100 points. Poor signal, struggled. Samsung faced upload issues and connection drops. Weak signal, fair. Phone performance was again upload limited. Moderate signal, good performance. Bottom line, fine for city use, but avoid for rural or weak signal areas. Winner: Honor 200 Smart, 100 out of 100 points. Consistent excellence across all signal conditions. Reliable in challenging environments. Bottom line, your go-to choice for any signal situation. Key takeaway: those small differences become huge when the signal gets weak. A few megabits per second can mean the difference between a working phone and an expensive brick. Your action item: consider a mobile router for challenging locations. It transformed performance in our tests and could solve your connectivity frustrations. Coming up, more phone test in poor signal areas. Which phone should we test next? Drop your suggestions below. Don't miss our next weak signal test. Subscribe to discover which phones handle poor signals best.